Hi, my name is Serhii Chechui. I'm experienced 6+ years technical artist, and this part of tutorial I want to share with you some kind of my approach, knowledge and techniques that I regularly use to create locations for 2D game. So let's get started. First of all, this course could be useful for level designer, technical artist and environment artist. The artist is a person who is acting as a bridge between the artist and programmer working on the game. So this means you have some knowledge from the art team, you have some knowledge from the developer team, you imagine together and help guys to be close to each other and make integration of assets inside your game engine smoothly. You can give a hint to the artist how they should paint location much efficient way. On the other hand, you can talk to the developer guys, how can they operate with the graphical assets, and so on. One of the primary goals you as the artist is a safe artistic vision of your assets, but on the other hand, you should bring a really great optimization. Also, you can develop some features, some scripts, some editors, some toolkits that can make the life of artist and developer much easier and sufficient working with the project. The next question, what is location? So let's jump to the next slide and see what we get here. So here you can see a screenshot from the casting of Broadway musical Guys and Dolls. Please pay attention on the background. So actually what you see here is the location. Location don't repeat the real world object, but give you a feeling of a time and space where action happening. The signs, the font faces, skyscrapers with the lighted windows, wood cabin in the foreground, they're all pieces of experience that you easily receive like spectator. Of course, the creation is not primary part of the show, but have a nice structured and nice styled location give you a really great experience. And you have a feeling that you are actually placing inside early settings. Let's go through basic location development stages. First of all is briefing. Briefing is a very important part. This means you, game designer, game producer, some other guys sit in the room at the table and start discussing. What do you actually want to see at the location, what it should like, what visual style, and so on. Then goes stage proof of concept. On this stage you are communicating basically with your art lead, with the developer lead, you are choosing a stack of technologies, discussing how you will implement that feature that you was get previously from the briefing, and so on. The third stage is the sketching, when artists trying to achieve and to visualize your idea, make you some kind of visual reference, and some other, making mood boards and some other stuff. So the second stage is drawing. Actually, when artists start drawing some graphics that you already can be view and to maybe try to use inside your game engines, something like that. So fifth stage is graphical breaking down. So when you get graphical assets from the designer and start to see how you will be integrated inside your game engine. So this stage very important, and on this stage you should concentrate all your attention and all your skills. 6 is the exporting. On that stage you can save a lot of time using your previous knowledge, using something automatization approach, some software, toolkits, editor scripts, something like that. 7. Layout inside game engine. So this is also a very important topic. You can get full automated or semi-automated layout. On the other hand, you should do some kind of adjustment manually. We will discuss and talk with you about automatic and manual approaches. VFX and SFX setup. So on this final stage, you make actually final polishing touches. Bring visual effects. It could be particle system, could be colliders, some kind of animation, sounds to your scene, set up inside game engine, and then on the last stage you can integrate it in your majority pipeline inside your game engine. That's actually what we got and what we'll be doing during this course. I choose it Kim Kardashian Hollywood location game. Oh, see, it's Mauchi. Hi Mauchi. Hi guys. So I choose this location because it's painted nicely, it's minimalistic, it could use vector graphic, but at the same time as raster graphic or pixel graphic, and on this location I show many exciting approaches and technique how you can paint optimize, how you can make instructions to your artist work in non-destructive way and save a lot of time and make development of location for 2D games smoothly, nicely and fun. So, see you in next part of this tutorial.